In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Manage.wix.com. By the end, you'll confidently move from a quick Google search to your Wix dashboard and open the TikTok Pixel option through marketing integrations. I'll keep it clear and practical so you can follow along without pausing every few seconds. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search box, type the word Wix. On the results page, look for the official result that reads Wix.com, Website Builder. Create a free website in minutes. Make sure the domain is Wix.com, so you know you're going to the real site. Click that result to proceed. After clicking through, you'll land on Wix. Depending on your session, you may be taken straight into your account dashboard. If you see the Wix homepage first, proceed into your dashboard the way you normally do. Once you're in the dashboard for the site you want to work on, look to the left-hand menu and open Settings. This is where Wix groups most site-level controls, so it's the fastest way to reach the tools we need. When the Settings area opens, use the search field at the top of the page. Type the word Marketing. This narrows the long list of options to items related to growth and tracking. Searching here is especially helpful if your dashboard looks a little different due to updates, or if you manage multiple sites and want to move quickly. From the filtered results, select Marketing Integrations. Think of this section as the central hub for connecting your site to third-party platforms. Analytics, advertising, and sales tools all live here. Opening it will display a curated list of integrations that Wix supports out of the box, so you don't have to dig through code or advanced menus. On the Marketing Integrations page, locate TikTok Pixel and click it. The TikTok Pixel helps you measure how visitors interact with your site after seeing your ads, which is essential for optimizing campaigns and building effective audiences. Clicking this option takes you to Wix's guided connection flow. You'll see on-screen prompts that explain what information is needed and how the connection works. Follow those prompts as they appear, and keep an eye out for any notes in the interface about required permissions or which site you're connecting, especially if you manage more than one. That's the full path. Search for Wix on Google, open the official result, head into your dashboard, go to Settings, search Marketing, open Marketing Integrations, and click TikTok Pixel. If anything looks different in your view, use the Settings search again. It's the quickest way to find exactly what you need.